All right, so it's important to always know the why. But before you can know the why, you have to determine what the why is. For me, I think back to when I was like 5 years old, and I'd be like, but why? But why? 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 Drove my parents crazy. Determining the why behind something involves seeking out information and asking questions. This may involve communicating with others that have more experience in this task and asking them questions to gain a deeper understanding of the benefits involved in whatever it is that you're doing. Knowing the why will lead to a deeper understanding of what's needed to achieve the goal for the task at hand. This can provide direction and build motivation, leading to purposeful action and decisions. Is knowing the why important even in simple, process-driven tasks? Sure. Let's say an employee is asked to complete a task which seems tedious or unimportant. If the employee knows the why behind a task and how it fits into the vision for the company, they're much more likely to complete that task with a sense of purpose. The consequences of not knowing the why can create confusion, lack of direction, and demotivation. And ultimately, this will lead to decreased production and even burnout.